Center the window in the rough opening. From the outside, loosely tack the top jam nail fin. Insert a backer rod between the window and the rough opening at the head jamb and jambs. With the bottom of the window on the correct plane inside to out, shim and fasten the bottom corners. Use the fasteners found in the bag marked with a black dot. Adjust one jamb at the top so the frame is plumb in the opening. Fasten and shim one of the top corners. Shim the opposite top corner. Check the frame for square by taking diagonal measurements. If the measurements are equal, the frame is square, and you can fasten the opposite top corner. You may need to make some adjustments. If that is the case, adjust your shims and refasten. Recheck your diagonals for square. With a square frame, plumb the opposite top side, then shim and fasten. Take 3 measurements at the top, bottom, and center. If necessary, shim at the center until all 3 measurements are equal. Shim and fasten at every installation hole in the frame. On casement crank-out and awning windows, open the sash to reveal the installation holes in the hardware base. Fasten through the base and into the rough opening using 2 of the installation screws. With the sash open, remove the shipping blocks from the edges of the sash. At times, you may need to adjust the sash hinges to obtain an even reveal between the sash and frame. To adjust the hinge, use the adjustment wrench to move the cam on the track stud up to 45 degrees, left or right. Make small adjustments at the top and bottom to obtain an even reveal. A general rule of thumb is that the sash will move in the direction of the back of the wrench. As you move the wrench away from the sill track, the sash will move to the left.